Hi, here I am trying to explain the process how to exchange a driving license issued by a foreign country to Japan driving license, as well few good tips to follow in driving test. These are the required documents: original driving license issued from home country, then passport, then Syro card also known as alien card, Juminhyo certificate of residence from ward office, translated driving license from JAF or the concerned embassy the license holder belongs. Then the driving license particulars. Some testing center will ask for this. We need to get it from our own home country. Then two photos. Maybe no need to carry it with you. Most of the testing center have the facility to take photo. It will comes around 1000 N. The fees for the driving test, it will comes around 5000 to 6000 N. How to get a translated license? One is from Japan Automobile Federation JAF. They only translate foreign license to Japanese for a small fees around 3000 to 4000 N. For this purpose, document required are original driving license from your home country, residential certificate. Maybe better to keep passport or Syro card with you. The total time for the translation process will take around 30 minutes. One important thing is we cannot drive a vehicle with the translated license. It is only purpose is for applying for the exchange of our license. Please go through the URL for find your nearest job center. In driving license center, there will be a timing for submit the document. Mostly it will be from morning 8:30 to 9 a.m. and afternoon 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. on all working days from Monday to Friday except public holidays and Saturdays and Sundays. We can easily find out. If it is not easy, then we can seek help from the information desk regarding the counter for submit the documents for exchange of foreign license to Japan driving license. We can submit all original documents to receiving officer. They will do a ref check, mainly validity of Juminhyo. It is 6 months and all original documents we submitted or not, then inform us to wait there. If everything is okay, officer will call us and provide the application form. If we don't know Japanese, the officer will fill up form for us. In the form itself, they will write the fees and which counter number where we need to pay. Fees will around 5000 to 6000 N. Once the fees is paid, equivalent stamp will be provided from the counter. We need to paste it in the application form and return it to the previous counter. Next, wait time for the written test. In this case, total number of questions is 10. Time will be 10 minutes and pass mark will be 7 out of 10. Questions will be available in these languages: Japanese, English, Chinese, Korean, Spanish and Portuguese. After the test, they will inform the result within 30 minutes and next the eye test. Eye test is also inside driving license test center. Basically, in this test, we need to stand in front of a device and look through two lenses. There is a set of characters, maybe similar to C in different sizes, and the openings of the C is in the left, right, top and bottom. They will highlight few on character and we need to identify the opening on which direction, and we can tell them. If it is a normal C, we can tell them the right direction or we can point our finger to the right side. Next, the ability to identify the color. They will power on a color light and will ask us which color it is. We need to reply for that thing. This all about the eye test. After this, we can move to next counter. From there, we can fix an appointment for actual driving test. Actual game starts from here. We'll see you soon and provide more information about the driving test, including the things to be done before entering the vehicle, the seat and mirror adjustment before the engine start, and what to do before moving vehicle, etc, etc, etc. Hope it's useful for you and thanks for watching. Thank you.